Big Northwest, presented by Subaru.
All right, guys, we're at the vendor booth now. Let's come over here and let's check out Perrin Performance. It looks like they've got lots of people getting some new parts. Got all kinds of goodies. We got blow-off valves, we got carbon strut tower bars, all kinds of upgraded pulleys, pitch stops, oil air separators. Got some great prices on intercoolers. WRX STI top mount, 200 bucks. You can get a Perrin intercooler core for 200 bucks for a front mount. All right, let's check out this WRX that Perrin has on display. I really like the STI wheels on there. I've never seen those before. I don't know exactly what they are, if that's like a specific year STI wheel that you can get. Is that off of like the last STI maybe, the VA? Those are 19-inch wheels too. Well, let's look under the hood here. You got a really cool cooling panel. You got the belt cover, oil air separator, which I haven't seen. Look at all the plumbing is really cool. Same intake. This is what I need to do, is mod my front mount intercooler piping, my air box, just like that. Got some engine dress up here, and then the carbon tower bar, plus the pitch stop. And the front mount intercooler, which they trimmed the bar off as well, the front grille. Nice spoiler in the back. And this little hidden treat, Perrin exhaust, which I haven't seen in person. That's pretty cool. Let's take a peek. That is a full catback system, boys. I just talked to Perrin, and this is actually a methanol injection kit for the car. It comes to like this big splitter, which has individual boost lines that goes to each runner for the intake manifold. All right, let's take a peek at the Perrin cars they've got on display. They've got the Subaru BRZ. It's got some cool Volk wheels on there. And they've got a bunch of Perrin goodies under the hood. They've got the intake. Looks like they got some pulleys on there. Engine dress up, oil air separator, carbon strut tower, Perrin battery tie down. So lots of goodies. Well, I was walking around and I ran into somebody here.
Hey, how's it going, guys? Jordan from Perrin.
And yeah, Jordan, I've been watching him on the Perrin YouTube channel, and I've been partnering with Perrin on a bunch of products, so it's nice to finally meet one of these guys. I'm trying to get a hold of Jeff, but he's been talking the whole time for like the last 4 hours. Haven't had a chance to say hi yet, but we'll get there.
Now you're just getting the real Jeff Perrin.
Perrin Performance has partnered with me on the turbo inlet, the intake, and the front mount intercooler on my YouTube channel, and it's so cool to be part of the Big Northwest and to have my car on display here to show off all the hard work I've done. And I'd like to thank Perrin Performance for allowing me to work with them on my YouTube channel. With partners like them, it helps me to create content just like this. If you guys like this type of stuff, hit the thumbs up and subscribe. Let's get back to the video. All right, guys, so I'm here with Jeff Perrin from Perrin, and he's got something cool to show us. What do you got there, Jeff?
I got our new header. It's a prototype. It's really finished, but it's really close to being done.
What car is it for?
For the VB, of course.
No way.
Isn't everything for the VB now?
Wow.
But anyways, yeah, that's it.
That's awesome, man.
It's kind of a take on our other equal length header that we had.
I like it. It's got the
Gotta have the bellows in it for forever durability.
Wow.
Yeah.
Have you guys done any testing on this on your car yet?
No, not on, sorry, on stock cars, yes. We're waiting for some results on some 500-ish horsepower cars. That'll be the real test for them.
Yeah,
the factory header is much better on the cars than they used to be. The old car had like a T for the header collector, and the new car at least has sort of a collector, but they're really small.
Shrink down in one section. I think I saw somebody install an equal length header, and there's like a little bit of a pinch point.
There is, yeah. So it gets rid of that, and yeah, bigger diameter piping.
Nice.
The piping matches the ports, and then it's expanded to 1 3/4 right at the flange.
Nice. Make sure you guys subscribe so you can follow the full install video. I will be getting my hands on one of the very first Perrin manifolds for the 22 plus WRX, so stay tuned on that. Be so curious to do the install, see how it sounds, and then take it to the dyno. Well, thank you very much for chatting with me, Jeff. It was nice to finally meet you, man.
Yeah.
Appreciate it.
Our first category in the TR Modal All Subaru Car Show. Best Legacy and Outback. Old School. That's manufactured between 89 and 99. The winner of this category with a 1993 Legacy RS, Ryan Ostomer. Legacy and Outback 2010 and up. Model year 2022 WRX Premium. And this car belongs to, and the award is going to Maverick Goshevich.
Look at me.
There he is, my man. We have for Daniel this lovely limited edition bucket skateboard. Congratulations, you can't get those anymore. Good job, buddy.
36.6, Daniel, nice drive, excellent job. That is anybody who got on that simulator knows that is tricky. And when it falls apart,
Tricky,
it's over for
fast.
you.
Yeah, you can't slide it around. That's the thing. You got to go up a gear because if you're riding on the RPMs, you're gonna have a lot of wheel spin. So actually, it feels really slow to go fast, and it's true, slow is fast. So
Less is more, yeah, for sure.
Congratulations. So we also have another giveaway that I kind of help sponsor, and that's my Bucky's Choice Award, and that's where I go around the whole show and I pick my favorite car of the event. And here at Big Northwest, I've been around, and I gotta say, the car that grabbed my attention the most today was JR's Ken Block rally car, 2011, 2012 X Games car that Ken drove against Colin McRae. Let's give it up for JR. Come and get your board, JR. Thanks for bringing that beautiful car out, restoring it. He found it in a barn. It was a retired race car that his boss was selling, or a friend. You tell the story, JR. Tell the story.
Thank you, Bucky. Yeah, it was amazing. Found the car. I didn't know what it was. Opened the door. I realized what it was, and yeah, it's amazing. Thank you, Bucky.
All right, thanks for bringing it out. Round of applause for JR.
Well, guys, I hope you enjoyed the tour here of the Big Northwest Car Show and Portland International Raceway. You guys hit the thumbs up, leave me a comment, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Take care. Thank you so much, Brandon. We're about to go meet Brandon Semenuk. He's just right over here. What's up, Brandon? I'm a huge fan, man. I'm Josh. Nice to meet you.